begin this video, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss any of our videos. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a summer makeup look, so if you want to see how I created it, then just keep on watching.
Show me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out, even after all of these years. You still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. We have come all this way, love, so I don't see us stopping now. My life's an adventure, 'cause you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. Now my life's an adventure, and you're the reason why. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out, even after all of these years. You still look at me with the same love. It's just us two,
And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on Snapchat. We also have a TikTok account. And until next time, guys. Bye.